to my channel. This is James Eboa. On this today's issue, we're going to talk about how to make money online from Ghana. It is sometimes very hard if you don't know how to go about making money online. That you have to receive a payment. For example, we have to open a PayPal account, which is not even Ghana is not even included, as well as Payoneer. Anyway, if you need help, all those things you can help me. But that's not what we are going to talk about today. Today we're going to talk about News Hub, Opera News Hub, whereby you have you write article on any topic in Ghana here and pay through mobile money. It is easy. So from here, it is very easy to do. So this is their website. I'll put the link below, so you can click on the link below to get to this site. So this is how they have also a video here where you can click to watch. You can sign up here, or this is their website. You still have some questions and answers as well. So that much I do. You come here to log in. You can continue with your Gmail or Facebook. I normally use Gmail to log in. So having logged in, it brings you to this page. So this is my home page. So over here also, you can see a lot of things. These are recommended topics for July last month. So these are some of the things, and these are some of them. So this is my dashboard. This is my personal dashboard. So this is how to go about it. This is a dashboard. If you want to create a new article, you click here, and it looks just like a Microsoft Word, and it even give you a clue, but you can start here. So you put in your heading here, and then you type your message just like any other thing. You can do anything you like, just like Microsoft Word. When you finish, you click here to submit your application. There you go. So you can also come here on the content library to get started, as well as my account. So from here, this is your account. If you click here, you open your account to see the monetization. You check how much you have. That's what I'm going to do. The content library also. If you want to create new accounts, so from here, when you finish and you submit, you then have, and you are okay. At the end of this thing, they will send your money into your mobile money account, and it is easy. So sorry, if you are filling the form, try to put in your bank account or mobile money. To me, I prefer the mobile money account, and then you put in there, and then that's all. It's very easy to. So these are some of the things. Monetization announcement and the Opera on there. So let me just show you people who I'll not even review them anyway, but I will let you know people who have some monies in the last month. These are some of them have, but I don't want you to see their faces because I'm not permitted. And then you see new creators, new. Now is pleased to announce the winners of last month July top winners amongst creators. So blah 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 blah. Bye. Now, if you are interested in this, go ahead. I'll put the link below. The website is hub.opera.com, and then the link is below. Just click on the link, go to the website, and create your. Make sure your content is original. Don't go and copy somewhere, otherwise they will reject it. And after that, you send. So, but before you leave, click the subscribe button, and then so that if I upload any other video, you will not miss it. I also have other video at the end of this video. I suggest for you how to make money online and all that. So thank you. See you in the next video.